I shine in the day. I'm hot and bright. I give you light and heat. I am the moon. I come out at night. I am cool and soft. I have many ways. I am a cloud. I am in white color. I float in the sky. I hide the sun. I am a rain. I fall from the clouds. I fall to the ground. I make the ground wet. I am a plant. I grow from a seed. I give us oxygen. I live in soil. I am a butterfly. I can fly. I grow from a caterpillar. I live in garden tree. I am a tortoise. I walk slowly. I am calm and steady. I have hot color is called shell. I am a rabbit. I am fast. I am also called as bunny. I am a cat. I am cute and lusty. I chase rats in the house. I am a dog. I am a loyal and love to play. I got the house. We got a friendly and lovely I am a doctor. I give medicine and operation. No doctor and nurse, they help me. I am a nurse. I am to doctor. I give a medicine. I am a teacher. I guide my students. I ask the question, give them facts. Both teacher and student are important in my school. I am a student. I am 7 years old. Both teacher and student important in school. I am an employer. I do work and help others do the job well. I am an employer. I work in an office, shop or company. We help each other by one day, but happily and
ஜகதோம் தஜகதோம் ததகுதிகு ஜகதோம் தகிடதோம் தகதகிடதோம் திருகுதகிடதினிகி